Hey YouTube, this is the Angry Veteran back with another brief video showing you guys I made a little progress on the Mustang today. So I managed to get the frame rail out today with a little persuasion from a blowtorch and step drilling. I'm gonna have to straighten this up again. This will make the second time I've had to straighten that up. It's not a big deal. This came out pretty clean. I couldn't get into this support really well or at all with the step drill, so I had to break out the blowtorch and just notch the holes out, and that worked out good. So as you can see, this gap, I don't know why this one was manufactured. It really should have been manufactured a little wider. I don't know why. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. And then this obviously is, I don't know why it was manufactured like that. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this weld in the front. Roll this over. I did a little bead right there before I put it in, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut that weld loose and I'm gonna center this in the channel. And I'm going to put a little weld in the back and in the front, and then I'm going to use my press. I'm going to press it together evenly, and I went to a metal place today and bought some of this 1-inch steel to use as dies, and I measured it out the correct length. I took my bandsaw, cut them off, and I'm going to use them as dies. I may have to move my press away from the wall. It's not a big deal. But anyway, that is the goal right now, to get that frame rail correctly put back together. And I'm going to drill the 12 holes on each side, clamp it, put the spot welds in, clean everything up, reinstall it, and all this shit is going to get removed. I'm going to put this front end back together. As you can see, the 94 GT front end, I've completely gutted it, and I just kind of put it under there earlier and peeked at it, and it's going to take a little modification, but I don't think it's going to be that bad to make it fit. So it's going to take a little research, a little time, but that's down the road. I'm not even really that worried about it right now. I just wanted to get all of the shit parts. This is pretty much everything I'm going to keep for right now. And there was one bad rotor. I don't know where the other rotor went. I probably already junked it, but the ball joints and all that shit. But all of this stuff will go in a tote, and down the road, when I get around to tackling that project, yeah, I'll get on it. But until then, get this thing fixed, reinstalled, front end put back together, and I'll have a rolling chassis again. Depending on how much time and effort that I feel like putting in, I will go ahead and pull the transmission out and figure out what's going on with the clutch. So as for the firewall, that's going to be on the back burner a little bit too, because again, I need to get this Mustang off my lift and get my Mercedes on here and start, you know, replacing the motor mounts and a CV axle on it. So there you go. There's the update for this week, I suppose, and I will come back later once I get this thing reinstalled. So thanks for watching.